don't know, I give themes, and I did give a theme last time. I don't know if everybody's dealing with the theme, but the theme was slavery and freedom. So that was the theme for this moment. All right.
Okay. All right. So what I did was I think this goes with freedom.
Okay.
Especially this is the holidays and
Uh,
uh, um a special just love to all the people that we lost
yeah,
this
yeah.
year. In November, my uncle passed away from a heart attack,
Mm.
so this is dedicated to him, as well as the brother who committed suicide last week, the dancer Twitch.
Boy, Twitch. Yeah, Twitch. Of course, he committed suicide. What did he? What was Twitch's situation? I thought he was in a happy place.
Yeah, he killed himself.
I mean, but he's with Ellen I call it Ellen DeGeneres.
Yeah,
Huh?
the show is over.
Oh, so he didn't have nothing else happening in his life.
I guess so. He had his wife and his kids.
He could have had too much. Could have made it not. You don't know what anybody's doing. This cup might have run it over, but he ain't know how to handle it.
You might be right. That's true. All I know is that whenever I watch Ellen, because I did watch Ellen from time to time, because I know her sexual thing, but it didn't bother me because she was a people person, and I used to appreciate her. And I would always see Twitch because I was the guy that would help her do a little funny dance. She can't really dance, but she would, Twitch would play the music. And I was very surprised to hear that he was gone.
Yeah.
And he's a young man too. I think he was 40 or something.
40 years old.
Sometimes the people who appear the happiest and they put on what they talk about. We who wear the mask,
right?
Sometimes they masking that shit for other shit, and that could be deep depression and everything else. And not for nothing too. Maybe he was sick of fucking dancing, and he, looking at himself like, shit. Is this all that? We don't know, but whatever it was, it's tragic that he got to that place where he didn't see no other outlet.
Well, Jamal, on that note, what you're saying is key because I just got finished telling some people recently, money does not make you happy.
Right.
And a lot of people think that when they got a lot of money, they should be happy. There is nothing connected to happiness and money. Having money can make you secure in terms of being able to pay your rent and paying able your cable bill and buy food. But that's not necessarily happiness. Happiness comes from within. Happiness is your relationship that you have with other people and how you feel about yourself. And I can have a ton of money, but if I don't feel like a real good person within myself, I'm miserable. I wake up miserable, go to bed miserable. Life is just misery. Yeah, I got a chandelier hanging from my ceiling that costs like $15,000. But that ain't making me happy looking at that shit. I mean, a lot of folks get it all twisted. We have allowed ourselves to be caught up with the fake material world, imagining that that's going to bring some joy. Joy doesn't come from that.
Yeah, facts. So true. All right. So the name of this piece is called My First Christmas.
All right. My first Christmas. Okay.
I see the countless Christmas trees light up the night skyline. This is Christmas by Donny Hathaway playing in every home. The songs of children's laughter brings tears of joy to my eyes. So don't weep for me because I'm spending Christmas with Jesus Christ this year. Don't weep for me, just celebrate me by giving to others with love and not expecting anything in return. Joy is a gift that we should share with the world. I see you hurting. I know you miss me, but I am that silent echo known as reflection. So we are never far apart. So be in joy. I'm spending Christmas with Jesus Christ this year. Here's my gift to all from heaven. I see all a memory of when, abundance of love and hope to all. So don't weep for me because I'm spending Christmas with Jesus Christ this year.
Yeah, brother. Yes. That's a healing piece. And that's what we need to be concentrating on. We need to heal each other as much as possible.